Welcome to my YouTube channel. Smart SIM card registration. You need to provide this following document so that you're gonna insert now the SIM card number, your cell phone number, and then the backlinks and send OTP. The send OTP is a password code sent by Smart Telecom. Once you receive it, put it in here and verify OTP. The verification, once it verify, so you're gonna continue and then it will be success. It means to say it verified successfully. After the verification is success, we must write our identity, fill up all this form. So for my own personal reason, so from the MSO office, I resize my ID picture and photo picture not more than 5 MB. So that was the rules of the Smart Telecom. Once it will be choose, you're gonna upload the ID and the photo, and then next. That was easy. So your identity again. So I cover again my identity. What happened? The zip code, the building. Once you are in the condominium, you put it in the building name. We're not living in the building, so resident only. So I put not applicable. And then the contact email. If you have alternate email, you can put here. And then I cover again my identity. This is my personal identity. So again, this is actual registration, so that I put cover. And then after that, you're gonna click next. That one, next. Wait. We're gonna wait. So be patient. Once you click it, so that was the final. You see, click. So we're gonna wait. So I cover my personal identity and then click next. That was a proper way how to register your personal identity in a smart SIM card. So you're gonna be patient and then you're gonna next. So just wait for the success. Okay, you see that was a successful. So again, I'm Noni Rivera. Thank you for watching.